What's up, y'all? Can you guess where we're at? I'll give you a hint. It's Friday. Yes, sir. Y'all know what that means. Friday Night Live. Yeah, we out here running late as always. Actually, KSU is right now. So if I have, if I'm lucky, which I always hope that I am, a couple people are running a little later than we are. And we're like right on time because KSU is 9. KSU, for those of you who don't know, is kickstands up. That means we should be rolling out around 9. So yeah. So, notice anything different about Talon? I mean, besides the cool Jixer Mixer sticker, I got on here. But no, I'm talking about the handlebars. I rolled them forward, for wheelies and antics. And I gotta say, I am a big fan. I like it a lot. Honestly, I like it more than the way the stock bars were. Like 100 times more. It's so much better. Like, riding this way is more comfortable to me. It's kind of weird. And I can't wait to go to the lot and attempt to get some wheelies in, because I'm sure it's going to feel great now that I'm not way down here trying to pop wheelies and shit, because that's just awkward, to say the least. I need to clean my visor. That ish is dirty. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just keep saying it. I think it was like 5 times. It's fantastic. Hey! Look at that. We're about the 2-stroke boys. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh no, she almost ate shit. Oh yes, I like this way more. I feel way more comfortable trying to pop wheelies like that. Holy hell, that felt great. Not even gonna bullshit. Oh yeah, it's popping. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at all the people here. Yeah. We here. We about to park right over here. I know what I'm finna do. I'm finna take up this space. Right here. Yeah. Alright. Just in time.
Hey, liar! Everybody bring it in!
What's up, buddy?
What time?
Hey, I was here like the time before last, too.
Alright. Figure it out. Good to go. Other side. Everybody? Alright, appreciate everybody for coming out. It's another Friday night. I know what we came here to do. The only thing we can really stress is everybody try to be safe. We're already doing dangerous shit out here. The last thing we want is one of us making it worse, right? If you see somebody clustered up in front of you, give them space. That's point blank period. They fall, think about all that space they're gonna need to you to not hit them. That. I don't do words with them.
Oh yeah, we getting right into it. I just keep making it right on time. I don't know. Look at them over there doing donuts, just having a grand old time. So hype, so hype. Yeah, yeah, listen to them bald eagles. Yeah. That man right there nominated for best save of the year, for sure. For sure. Trying to tell you, hands down, best save of the. A couple of them, honestly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that smells great. I love it. I can taste it. It's fantastic. See, that's why I don't want a dirt bike. You see how tall that shit look? I'm so good. Let's go. Yeah, already off to a beautiful start. Hey, that's so sparkly. Oh yeah, we out here. Oh, look at the monkey. I love the monkeys. They're fantastic. Let's go. Yes. Look at it. Y'all go follow his IG. Pick that motherfucker smooth the fuck up. Yeah. There he is. See? Told you to figure it out. He's good. That's so sketchy. That's so sketchy. Oh no. It worries me. Hey, wheelie gang, wheelie gang, wheelie gang. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, my boy, look at all the progress. Yeah, yeah. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. You're doing the damn shit! I was gonna go grab him. He kept slipping between people. Yeah. 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 Woo! Boy, we out here. We not playing no games. Hello, puppy. Oh, shit. Look at them go. Yeah. Everybody else is the talent. I'm just the we are here part. I'm real good at that. I'm real good at we are here. Look at him go. That's all I want to be able to do. Nothing too serious. Just some nice wheelies. Some real nice wheelies. Swerved the wrong way and pressure. Yeah. Oh, red light, damn it. Ruined it. He's cool. He passes. He passed the vibe check for show. So not smart. Vegan cafe? Nah, you can't ride with us, sorry. You cannot ride with us. I'm just kidding. Kinda. Mostly because you're on a Harley. No, I'm just playing. I love my Harley bros too. It's funny. Skirtily dirt. So kind. All right, we'll get back to y'all.